Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Today is Friday night, February 9th, right? So, all right, I have it open here. Okay, oops. Okay, so week started on the 5th, I guess, right? So the first trade, Euro USD from 7-minute entry, sell order here. You can see that. And then the entry is by the setup by my EA expert advisor robot. It opens the trade automatically. So see this green arrow? That's what it is. All right. So this is the first trade for 80 pip to the downside. Second is pound USD as well. It went down on the 5th from here. Sell order is right there for 135 pip. The USD was getting strong. So now, so this on the 5th, gold also here, beautiful entry here, all the way down from 235 to 2035 to 2017. Sell orders right there. Most of these trades are opened by the EA. Gold, again, you can see this on the 5th, second entry here from different empty for the different account. Sell order is there. This is a higher time frame, and from the same thing, 2035 to 2015. Here, NASDAQ on the 5th, also from 17,612 to 17,492. Beautiful entry here by the book. Sell orders right there. Sell move to break even. Plus, all of these trades, you notice that these are taken by a proper setup. I have to have 5 conditions in some cases before I open the trade. If they are all, in line, then I open the trade, right? Well, the EA automatically opens it, right? So this is also the EA is made in such a way that when all the 5 conditions are aligned, and it opens the trade. All right, so this is the S&P 500 on the 5th. A lot of trades on the 5th, right? From this 4,949 to 4,919, all the way down here. Beautiful trade. On the 5th, gold from 200 big size here. You can see this is the second one, and nicely done here with the EA from 2024 to 2017 again, right? And here you can see Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart down. This is on the 6th now, right? So 6th, for 60 pip entry here. SL was almost about to hit at break even, but then again came down for 60 pip. Euro Yen 7-minute chart on the 6th, sell orders right there by the book entry with my setup. E opened this one as well, 60 pip to the downside. This one is manually taken from 7-minute chart, pound yen buy order, right? There is no EA here. I open it manually here, 65 pip. If I'm available and then if my alarm beeps on the other computer, then I'll take it manually. No big deal. This is S&P 500, big time, on the 7th. And then this is NASDAQ on the 7th as well. This is pound yen from the 20-minute chart on the 7th. This nice entry. This is also taken by me manually, right? And for 90 pip. This one also taken manually here. Euro yen 7-minute chart buy order here for 65 pip. And this is USD yen 7-minute chart, February 8th. Buy order is here, and I'll show you why I have all these yen pairs to the upside. All yen trades you'll see here from 7, 8, and 9 are long, and there's a reason for that. I'll show you. So this is for 120 pip. Then this is again pound yen on 8th. Actually, this is the continuation of that, I guess, right? The one that we saw earlier. Let me see. Yeah, this is where the trade was going, and then I held on this one, and then you will see that this is the same thing, went all the way to 120 pip, right? And then this is Euro yen also, the previous that I showed you, the entry is the same. And you know, I took it to the next day. It on the 8th for 100 pip all the way. And this one here, Cardian, now for that's taken by the EA, and it is for 80 pip from the 20-minute chart. Then you see EURUSD, and this is from the 7-minute chart. Buy orders right there for 80 pip on the 8th. And on the 8th, pound Aussie as well. Aussie was getting weaker, so pound Aussie and Euro Aussie both went up. And I mentioned that in my webinar over the weekend, that they're going to go up on Wednesday, actually. And yes, they did. So this is for 100 pip here. Buy orders right there. SL move to break even plus, and 100 pip here. Then again, you will see that if you yen pairs again, right? On the 9th, you will see that this was the big one first, and then this is opened by the EA again on the 9th for 60 pip. And this is opened by the EA as well on the 9th, pound yen, right there, buy orders for 65 pip. And one more is Aussie yen, which previously on the 8th I missed. It never gave me the entry. And now here, I got it here on the 9th for 50 pip. And let me see. Then again, this is oil, right? The first trade in the whole week, oil trade, buy order is there, and all the way to 76, 79. And one more is NASDAQ, beautiful entry by the E here from 17,908 to 17,987. Right, so these are, well, I have S&P again, one more, right? A lot of trades this week. And because the EA, I'm able to pull all this. The EA most of the time, if I have it on that with my analysis, of course, right? So I do the analysis first, and then I put my EA in the same direction, right? Long only and short, or short only, whatever my analysis is. And then in that direction, when if the price goes in that direction, then I see the setup, EA see the setup and open the trade. It plays the SL automatically, and TP, whatever you set, the TP is there as well. I usually keep the TP open because I close the trade manually with my calculation with the daily range and all of that, right? Every pair has a daily range, some 100, some less than 100, some more than 100. And you have to see that where your entry is and where the daily range is ending, and take it to the to the daily range all the way. All right. So let me show you the why. I had like 7, 8, or so. Let me see. Go back and then see this yen trade. Okay, Aussie yen. This is the trade number 1. All yen trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. 9 trades, yen pairs, all yen pairs and all long. All these trades are taken because of this chart. So this is the chart I made on the 6th. And you notice that all yen trades, long trades, were from 7th, 8th, and 9th. One trade was 7th, but mostly 8 and 9, right? Because this is the chart. This is the yen index, and I made the video yesterday for that, right? So because I made it on the 6th, that all yen pairs will also go up if this thing goes to the upside. And as of today, Friday, this is here. Watch. This is how it is, right? So this is the index, and if you watch the index, any index, it's not yen index, and next week probably USD is gonna move on the move, right? So if USD index is gonna move, you have 7 USD pairs, right? So 4 will go in one direction, 3 will go the opposite direction, and whichever gives you the entry, you just take it. Simple as that. So it's very lucrative way to do trading here, watching the indexes and catching the index, the setups in the index. Right? It goes up, down, up, down. So I had a lot of trades, tons of trades going to the upside, then it retraced, then again, long trades, then again, retrace. Then this move again gave me, imagine that I have 8, 9 trades from here to here. Imagine how many trades from here to here, and how many trades from here to here. I had all these moves, if you, let me show you. See, from here to here, I'm going to show you. There must be it. See, I mentioned that this is going to go from here to here, and it did. It went there. Then I made this chart, then gonna drop first and then go to the upside. And that's exactly what it did. It dropped here, and then later on, it went up all the way here, right? So I'm tracking this yen index, very lucrative. Every small move here and gives you so many trades in yen pairs. All right. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to learn how to trade this way and get it, then go to my website here, and then you have everything here. Just serve the my website, and you'll see how to join. And this is also I have a Telegram here where I post setup videos, charts with the setup, and like look for 7-minute short, and EA making the 7-minute long. I posted here. UJ as well, making 7-minute long, and then later on I took the trade and I posted here euro yen 7-minute 400 pip, USD yen 405 pip. So this is how it's a big help for everyone, my Telegram channel. And this is it for now. All right. So have a wonderful weekend and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that sometimes I give you a very, very good, for example, here. See that this is a setup. You can, this is Aussie dollar index. And last day, this is a daily chart, right? So you can see a powerful daily range bouncing from this, daily candle, right? So if we continue to go to the upside, then your Aussie is gonna get a strong. What does that mean? That means is Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie gonna drop, and Aussie yen and Aussie USD will be going up, and Aussie CAD will be going up. So I will look my entries in those directions. Simple as that. And when I have it, I might open the trade anyway. All right. So okay, bye for now, and talk to you guys later.